Hi, it's Miles Red Songbird in New York City, and I had some things I wanted to read to you. I've made some interesting, as a matter of fact, bombshell level discoveries. You'll never think of crazy people as being crazy again after I finish. Okay, this is in the description section of the video St. Francis Writing Group, October 2nd, 2018 in New York City. Okay, this is what I wrote. Leader, Maria Kant, Russian-American teacher, once American black educator Mary McLeod Bethune, is a gifted teacher. Maria Kant is a gifted teacher. This is Maria Kant. And that's Mary McLeod Bethune, who she was in a previous life, a famous educator. After I read aloud the poem in the writing group I'd written, Maria asked me if I'd been talking about one of my ex-husbands. As Eve, the first woman, the first wife, the first mother, the beam of light, true love, energy from the sun, I gave my heart to Adam. Okay, now let me go back because I decoded some words here. The word wife decoded is, for me, is W, I feel energy. I feel W energy. Okay, the double of me is Adam. I feel Adam's energy when he sings to me. And Adam, I am Adam's double. So he feels my energy that he knows what to sing to me. Okay? What else did I decode? Here, the sun. I said, I'm the beam of light, true love, energy from the sun. Sun, U.S., niche. The U.S. is the niche of the sun, the heavens. Okay, the star, the sun. Okay, the star of the world. Okay, I gave my heart to Adam, and then Adam is at, order, mirror. You see that? A-T, at, O for order, M for mirror. Mirror, decoded. Me, her, here orders for her. Okay, so then I tried to word it in a way we can understand it. Her here, me orders for her. Okay, or her here, my orders for her. That would be Adam's orders. Adam's order. Let me show you the way to a love beyond compare. That's what he sings, the order that he sings in Quanta Quanta, which means it's time. Okay, time has come today, said the Chambers Brothers. Okay, record. Where did I see record? There's record. Orders. O-R-D-E-R-S. R-E-C. You have to put the C in there. O-R-D-S. It's the same word, just without the C. Record. Her. R stands for her. Her energy. C. Ordered. Her C energy ordered. I'm trying to get it in a way we can understand it. Her C energy in order. Her C energy presented in orderly fashion. Okay, so what I'm saying is I see my energy presented to me in an orderly fashion, in the fashion of a song. Adam sings his song, he sings my energy. in the form of songs. Okay? Adam is Michael Buble. Alright, now let's see. I gave my heart to Adam before he became a man, a human, a who man, a what man, a when man, or where man, or how man, when he was still able to bend steel with his bare hands. Now he's disguised as not Adam. M-O-A-T is moat. Remote control Adam on television. We, Adam and Eve, exchanged hearts, here to talk and share. No, not to. Here, TS, talk and share. That's what hearts decodes as. Here, H-E-A-R, TS, talk and share. When he was still an animal, an ape, heart, earth. He, art, earth. The art of he, the man, or the male. The art of the male is the earth. It's a man's world. It's a man's earth. You see? And then break down earth. Ear art. Ear, A-R-T, art. Which is, ear art is a song, or talk, or sound. Break down sound. Sun ordered the divine. Sun ordered divine. Ordered in divine. So you, is that under? So under. Sound under. Undersound. I'm just trying to figure out what that means. Undersound or sound under. Thunder. Sound ordered divine. Sound ordered divine. Oh, I see how I did that. Sun, S-U-N, ordered, O, divine. That's how it got. It was, okay. So sound ordered the divine, and then the divine is sound current. You see the word disc, D-I-S-C, like a CD, a record. Divine is sound current. Okay, where am I? Divine. Divine, I see sound current. You get that? You can decode it and get it that way too. Victory, I niche energy. The victory is the I niche energy. The energy that you recognize as part of your niche with your eyes when you see it. Okay? You already got the sound current. Divide. Divine. D-I-V-I-D-E. Yeah, divine, I, victory, identify energy. Okay, the divine is when the I victory, and the I victory is when you identify energy. The I vision is a victory. the I see television identify energy. Okay? I see Adam on television. I identify his energy. I see that's mine. Talk and share. The act. Talk and share. When I see Adam on television, I'm at talk and share. I recognize that his talk, which is singing, is my energy. Like I said earlier, he's communicating my energy. He's feeling my energy. And while he sings, he's feeling the feelings of my energy. Because he's singing them, you see? He's talking, singing to me. Do you understand that I just showed you in writing that people can identify energy from watching them on television? He's looking into the camera, seeing me energy. Either he's conscious of what he's saying and doing, or he's unconscious of what he's saying and doing, or he's super conscious of what he's saying and doing, as I am. Vanetta, a friend of mine, another homeless girl, saw a basketball player talking into the camera, was talking to her. Okay, this telephone says I gotta plug in again, start charging this. Okay, let me just bend down here and find my charger. Okay, so what I just proved in writing, I showed you in writing, is that you can identify energy. Seeing somebody exhibiting your energy on television, you can identify it. And I know it because I do. I just never saw it in writing before. The first time, my friend used to say, I used to go to her house, Linda was her name, and the television, it freaked me out because people were talking to me. I could identify their energy. They were talking to Eve, their mother. And this is the first time that I've seen it in writing. And this is astonishing what progress I've made, that I have it in writing. There's victory identifying energy on television. There it is right there. So when people say the television is talking to them, don't think they're crazy. They're probably super conscious and are picking up on energy from television. Is there anything else? I said let's see what I wrote here. This is Eleanor Roosevelt, Judy Redinger. There she is again, her cool hat. She was in the writing group today. And so was Michael Racker. He's a resident genius. Let's see, his name is Andrei Rublev. He's a 17th century Russian genius painter. And the writer Carlos Castaneda. And Castaneda wrote the books, A Separate Reality, Journey to One Time Plus Land or something, and The Teachings of Don Juan. So that's Michael Racker. That's who he is. These people are at the St. Francis Residence 3 in New York City. Didn't even know who they were. I read energy and I saw them and I told them. Even Pythagoras, who said, I don't want to talk about it, stop me, never. Now he's come around to realizing I'm onto something. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see what I wrote here. Just connecting is crumbs of love. Yeah, when I see Adam talking to me on television, on YouTube, I'm connecting with him. And when he looks into the camera, he's connecting with me. And we exchanged hearts. We fell in love billions of years ago. So to have been in love for billions of years, and all you can do is connect through a machine, that's called getting crumbs of love, because you don't feel their vibration. You cannot touch them. And there's a time lag. He recorded those songs before, and I'm just now picking up the energy of it. So you see, it's just crumbs. So then I said, see her rumble. This is also Michelle Birdsong's Spear. That's see her you, Michelle Birdsong Spear. That's my full name. And then it says Rumba, and then it says her you, Michelle Birdsong Angel, because I'm Evangeline. Is Eve's line, angel line. And also A is Albert Einstein, that's the energy in me as well. And Dr. Albert Schweitzer, that's the A you see here. This is the A, you see? Her, you, Michelle Birdsong, A. Albert Schweitzer, Albert Einstein, Angel. You see how that works? Okay. Alright, so this is all the information I'm going to give you today. But know that this is amazing, amazing to see in writing that people can actually identify energy coming from somebody vibrating on a television screen. Okay, so it just makes me feel good, because I've been saying this for years. And now I have proof in writing. So it makes me feel validated, you know. Not that I didn't already know what I was saying. Because Govinda Singh already, he keeps me validated, because he's following. This is my mother, father, he's my guide. And he tells me what he told me 3 years ago, that Adam was my mate. You know, and I've gone through a lot of changes thinking other people were my mates. And he told me who my mate was 3 years ago, when I didn't even know who he was, you know. Okay, so Radhasamy, that means Lord of the Soul. Okay. Okay. And that's me, daughter of the sun, Evangeline Einstein. And I got about 48 other identities as well. Okay. So I'm gonna stop this video now and post it to YouTube. Okay. So long. Thanks for sharing my discoveries. I have so many discoveries. It's such a thrill to be alive.